Hello everyone. Before anything else, I just want to say that I'm real thankful for a friend who traded her house car for a lemonade stand. I now have my own house car. This is a dream came true. This is what I dreamed about. I dreamed about having this one. I really love this, but I wish I could sleep in here, but I can't. Okay, so I just bought my very own house tree. Tree house, and I decorated the inside of it. So let's get in and see what's inside. Here is what you can see when you get inside my treehouse. Here is my living room. Now let's go to the dining area. And here is my mini kitchen. Now let's go to this room. This is the first room. It has its own CR and now we have our piano, and here is our reading nook. Now let's go here. This is our jacuzzi. I put something up on the jacuzzi so you can drink and read books at the same time. And here is everyone's room. Here's how I made it. Here's the makeup bench. Here is the bathroom, the baby's area, pet's area, and then let's get up here. It's just a and the window. Up here is just another bed, and pretty much it. So let me give you one last look of everything here. Thank you guys for watching. To like and subscribe for more videos like this and hacks, and comment down below what house do you think I should buy next and decorate. So that is it for today, and see you on my next video.